guys don't already know, my whole channel is all about productivity, about just trying to better yourself. And one of the ways I'm gonna try to better myself is by becoming and trying to get rid of things that I don't really use. But guys, before that actually happens, I gotta make my bed, because without making my bed, I really think that I have not accomplished anything, and that will really bother me at the end of the day. One of the simplest ways you can try to simplify your life is by simplifying something that we use on a daily basis. Something that we all use on a daily basis, which is our clothing. Hopefully none of you guys are out there running around naked. If we start to incorporate simple things like having less of an option in a way to choose on what we're gonna wear, it really starts to simplify our lives in ways that we didn't know existed before. For instance, in my case, guys, I don't really buy that much clothes, and I haven't actually bought clothing in probably maybe a year or so actually. So besides me actually having to buy clothes, having that problem of buying a lot of clothes in my wardrobe, I actually don't have that issue of, you know, when I see things on sale, I don't buy them unless I really need it. And that's helped me a lot out in just being able to just not purchase and spend money on useless things that I know I'm not gonna need. But guys, it's really helped me a lot to be able to save money, to be able to just be able to live a more simple life. It helps a lot into seeing that we actually don't need as much as we think that we need. So what I do with all my clothing is I actually, you know, I don't have it that organized at the moment, but I actually got this like bed from IKEA, and it actually comes with these wardrobes or organizers at the bottom of the bed. So that's actually helped me a lot. These are some items that I have in my wardrobe. So I basically have a lot of pants, a lot of stuff that I don't really use. These stuff like this I do use. Shorts, I'm not a shorts guy. Some tank tops I don't use. These belts I don't use. And there's a lot of stuff that I really... Socks, I think I'm just gonna be walking around barefoot all this year, so I don't think I'll be needing these anyways, since I think I'm gonna stay home all year. This is some more of my clothing that I have actually. I have a lot of shirts that I really don't use at the moment, and I haven't been using them in a while. One of the key things to make sure when you're looking at what you're gonna use during your wardrobe is to actually make sure that you're looking at things that you have not used in a while. Obviously, if you're using something on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, I advise you to actually keep that, because and then if you're just gonna throw it away and just try to get something new just to update your wardrobe just because you want to buy something new, then it's kind of just going back and you're gonna end up spending more money and actually having the same thing that you would have had because you already bought it. So you're basically gonna be buying things twice. You might be thinking, how does minimizing my wardrobe actually affect my life? How will it change it? And the reality is, it might not change your life completely. By minimizing the items that you have in your wardrobe does not have to mean that you're gonna minimize your style. You can still incorporate minimalism into your lifestyle by still being a stylish person. Here are some tips that you can use to incorporate minimalism into your wardrobe and start to become a minimalist in your wardrobe. Step number one, or tip number one, is to get rid of everything and take out everything from your wardrobe currently. So you can just simply start doing it one by one, since you're minimalist, so you gotta do everything one by one. Screw that. Just take out everything, guys. Tip number two, which is ask yourself these important questions. Is it in good condition? Does it even fit at all? And have I even worn it in the past year or so? Okay guys, so for instance, I have this shirt here. You can ask yourself, is it in good condition? By the looks of it, not really. It's not really a good condition shirt that I can just wear to go out. Does it fit? Yes, it does fit. And have I worn it in the past 12 months? Yes, I do. I actually wear this a lot, like stuff like this when I'm just like going around the house. If I'm gonna be like painting the house or doing any renovations on the house, I actually do use shirts like this. So make sure you keep stuff that you're actually gonna use. And it doesn't mean just because it looks ugly, you don't use it. You have a use for that, and so why not keep it? Some sort of, you know, box or bags or wherever you're gonna toss this clothing. And just putting everything on the floor, as you guys can see, that I don't use. So say I don't use this shirt, all I do is simply put it in there and just get rid of it. Just don't hold yourself back just because you have some sort of emotion tied to an object. Sometimes emotions can just be false and you're just lying to yourself just because you don't want to get rid of something that you're emotionally tied to. But guys, here comes the fun part, which is going to go out and buy some of the clothing. But make sure that you're buying the things that you actually truly love, and you're not just buying it just to have it. Another step that I really found useful, and when you think about it, it is very useful, is making sure that you buy stuff and items that are versatile, meaning it has 2 or 3 uses for that particular item. Investing in high quality will allow you to make sure that you only purchase that item once or twice. You know, a pair of jeans can last a very long time, especially if they're of high quality. Making sure that you buy that thing that you're looking for the first time and buying it right will guarantee that you keep that item and use it for a very long time. But guys, with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Making sure that you guys leave some comments down below on what you guys think, you know, you guys can incorporate, what I should incorporate in my minimalist wardrobe. Make sure you stay tuned for more weekly content, as I am going to be producing much more content. If you guys are new to this channel, once again, hit the subscribe button and make sure you like and share this video. Thanks for watching, guys, and peace out.